Ka ora te wai, ka ora te whenua, ka ora te whenua, ka ora te tangata.
What is my aspirational state? For me, the first point is recognising te hurihanga wai as a continuous cycle. We've got all of our piped networks that provide us services, our drinking water, our wastewater, the stormwater, and we still think about them all in isolation, but to think about them collectively requires so much complexity, so much collaboration that even with the best of interests, we don't really know how to get there. So I guess that's the aspiration, to overcome those barriers, to say how do we apply systems thinking and what can we draw on from MATAURANGA, from our relational elements of wairua, all of these other elements that I feel like might be those keys to unlocking.